A couple of days ago, I received a message on Instagram from someone who is struggling with her online business. And in this video, I want to answer her question. How long does it take to become successful in business? For me, this is such a critical question and it's so relevant for a lot of online entrepreneurs, especially those who are new to running an online business and are wondering, how long does it actually take to become successful? It's a question that I have thought about many times in my career, and it's a question that I know a lot of my online entrepreneur friends have thought about as well. And so I wanted to share more about my opinion in this video. Now, before we go on, I want to let you know about my podcast, Hack Your Online Business Podcast, which is great if you're looking to start and grow your online business. Every single week, I interview successful online entrepreneurs on the show. So if you want to be inspired by their story and also learn about their strategies, don't forget to go check out the podcast. The link is going to be in the description below. Now, let's talk about how long does it take to become successful in business. The fact is, guys, 90% of all businesses fail in the first 5 years. That is the reality, that is the stats, and it is fucking scary to become an entrepreneur and start your own business, right? It takes a lot of courage to quit your secure job, to start something new, to run your own business when you have no experience at all. And so I applaud you if you have started your own online business but you're still struggling a little bit. What I want you to know is this is completely normal to feel like, when are you ever going to get successful? Where is the success that you thought you would get to? Now, I want to share my story with you. When I left my advertising career to start my online business, I failed big time. I failed big time then, and I failed many times since. My first 2 online businesses were 2 online health companies, and they both didn't work out. I was in my mid-20s then, and it felt like, oh my gosh, why is it so difficult? Like, how long does it actually take to become successful? I kept trying, I kept failing, and it felt like I was never ever gonna reach the success that I was looking for. And it's scary when you look at the statistics of how many people actually succeed as an entrepreneur, and then you look at your failed business or your struggling business. It can feel very, very scary. But here's the thing that you need to know. The fact is, you only need to make it work once. You can have 9 failures, but the 10th time that you attempt at starting a business, that could be the success that you're looking for. That is all you need. And so what I've learned over the past few years is that it takes time to get successful in anything, whether that's in life, in learning a new skill, in starting a business, in relationships. It takes time to get successful and get good at anything at all. And so for me, what separates a wannabe entrepreneur and a successful entrepreneur is patience and determination and the vision. The reason why your business might take a while to get to the point of success for you is because over time we get better. We get better with our business knowledge. We get better with experience. We get better knowing what works and what doesn't work. We get better with marketing. And so the more time we spend doing things that fail, the more we learn, and then the more we don't repeat them, and eventually we get closer to success. It has taken me around 4 years, more or less, to reach a point where I feel like finally I am seeing success in my online business, and I'm no longer feeling like every day is a struggle and every day is a failure. But at the same time, I don't feel like I've reached the pinnacle of success that I've set for myself. And so, taking my experience into account and speaking with other entrepreneurs who have been successful, I kind of find like you need around 3 to 4 years, around the 3 to 4 years mark, to really start seeing success in your business. So if you're brand new, you're 6 months in, 1 year in, 2 years in maybe, you are still considered a baby. You're considered a baby in the entrepreneurship world. So if you're wondering how long does it take to become successful in business, it takes around 3 to 4 years on average, right? Some people do take longer, some people take 10 years, some people take 7, 15 years, right? There isn't really a fixed number. Now, one of the advice that I can give to you as you are looking to reach that pinnacle of success faster is to look at what other successful entrepreneurs are doing. What I've found is when we model ourselves after the successful ones, because they've already come before us, they've already set the path, right? They already have set the path of success. And when we model the path of success, we get to success faster, right? Instead of trying new things out, instead of experimenting, we can model their success. I personally especially love learning about the early days of any successful entrepreneurs because very often we only see the success that they've had, but we don't see the failures, we don't see the difficult times and the things they've done to overcome those difficult times. So what I like to do and what I recommend you to do is to listen to podcast interviews with successful entrepreneurs, go read their books, identify a couple of successful entrepreneurs that you want to model after, and go read their books. A lot of them got books, you can go read them, absorb what they've gone through, absorb the strategies that they've applied to their business, and then replicate it in your own business. Now, another advice that I can give to you as you work towards becoming successful in your business is to work on your mindset. Very often, online entrepreneurs work on the strategies part, the business tactics, the business strategies, but they often forget about the mindset, the entrepreneur mindset. And I can tell you with experience that very often it is not the strategies or the tactics that stop us from reaching the pinnacle of our success. Very often it's our mindset that's stopping us. In fact, it's often the limiting belief that stops us from achieving the maximum that we can achieve. These are limiting beliefs around charging what we're worth, feeling like we're not good enough, feeling there's scarcity, right? Seeing your competitors or your friends achieving something or getting new clients and you feel like there aren't any more clients out there for you. So the scarcity belief. I started marketing a decade ago. I've been in marketing for a decade and I've been an entrepreneur for the past couple of years. And I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt that very often it is the mindset, the limiting beliefs that you have that is stopping people from achieving more in their business. When I start to pay attention to what I was thinking around my self-worth, around my abilities, I started to attract more clients. So if you're watching this right now and you're struggling with your online business and you're wondering how long it takes to become successful in business, I want you to know that it takes time, it takes patience, it takes determination, it takes vision, right? A grand vision of what you want to achieve. And it takes around usually 3 to 4 years to get to that first stage of success in your business. So go out there, start growing your knowledge and absorbing what other successful entrepreneurs are sharing. Go and work on your entrepreneur mindset to make sure that you don't have any limiting beliefs that's stopping you from achieving more. And I know that will help you get to your idea of success. So let me know in the comments below if you've identified any limiting beliefs that's stopping you from achieving success in your business right now, or if you've learned something new from this video. Now, in the meantime, as you wait for my next video, don't forget to go check out this video to learn more about online business and online entrepreneurship. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.